Hello guys, so this is the continuation of the graphic design class that we are taking. So we have already done uh, part 1 to part 4 already. So if you haven't watched the parts, kindly have a watch before coming to this part. So this is the fifth part. Uh, so today we are going to learn something about how to import images into the Photoshop and how to remove background from the images. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So first, you know how to take our paper. So we say Control N, take our paper. So let's say pesos and just say 1,000 pesos, and here too we say 1,000 pesos. That's a square paper. Okay, so this one can fit in our profile, WhatsApp profile or any profile. This one can just fit in. Okay, so let's go ahead and import the image. So you go here far, then you come here place. So here if you click on the place, it means you are placing the image on the paper. Yeah, that's what it means. So if you go here place, let's see, let's choose this image. It means we are importing this image on this what paper. Okay, so let's delete it and just try again. Far, then you see place. So let's say you want to bring the image in the Photoshop but not on the paper. Okay, so you go here, open, then you select the image. You see, this is how we import images on the paper. So maybe we are working on this image, you want to switch to where the main one we are working, that's here. You go to here. So all these layers is switching between the works you are doing. Okay, so you can go here, and be doing your works. Okay, so maybe like this one, we have imported the image into the Photoshop. We want it to be on the paper. So here you can also select all. So you could press Control A to select all. Then you press Control C to copy. Control C to copy. Then you come back to your layer. Then you say Control V to paste it on the paper. Okay. So that's how we can import our images into the Photoshop. So the second one is how we can remove a background from a photo or a picture. Okay, you see every picture has its own background. Okay, so when designing something, you don't really need a background, so we have to remove it. So that's what we are going to learn right now. Okay, so before we start that one, you see this Photoshop you are using is Photoshop C um CS6, Photoshop CS6. Okay, so in recent Photoshop, that advanced Photoshop and then the update Photoshop, we have different way of importing the images into the Photoshop. You can just do this one though, but you also have like that easy way to do it. Like you can just go to the image like this and then drag it into yeah, and drag it into the paper or the Photoshop. But this one it will not work. Okay, so we are going to remove a background from the image or the picture. Okay, we have different ways of removing the background from the picture. If the background of the picture is plain, then it's easy. Yeah, if the background of the picture is plain, it's easy to remove the background. So let's say open, then let's say this is a plain background. See, the background is white, it's a plain background. We can just remove it within a second. So left click on this and say quick selection tool or the magic tool. So the quick tool and or the magic tool, you just select let's say the magic one. So the magic one, since this one is a plain background, You just click on it once like this, it will select all the background for you. So you see, it has selected all our background for us. Okay, so if some place is not selected like here, you just hold your shift, then you just add it. Okay, Control D to unselect. Let's choose the quick one. The quick one, you'll be doing it small. Okay, so let's increase the the, the circle. So you press bracket, the bracket key on the keyboard. If left, right bracket, it will increase it, and left, it will reduce it. So you see, then you just click on it like that to select the background. Okay, so this is how we can remove our background, yes, using if the background is plain. So after this, you just unlock the background. Okay, double click on it and just say okay. Then you press Control X, remove the background. So now this is our move tool. Click on the move tool, then we can move the background to anywhere we like. So we have removed the background. We can just drag it to our paper and you just paste it like this, just like that. This is our background, our image without the background. Okay, so in case you have removed your background but you want to save your picture, so that anytime you want to use the image without the background, you can able to use it in your project or something. So here you go to file, then you come to save as. Okay, you name your file, then you come to the save options, and here we have multiple ways of saving the file. We have the PEG, PSD. Here what you need is what? PNG. With the PNG, the file will be as it is when you edited it. Like here, you remove the background. So if you want to use the image again without the background, you just have to save it at what? PNG, so that anytime you want to use it, you can just come and use it. Like you go to PNG, then you choose your folder, then you save it like that. So let's remove this one. So we have saved our background already, so we can go here, file, open, then you can see our PNG file here. You click on it and there is no background. You can use it in our project. So that's it.